Good morning students. Today we are going to start with chapter number 2. Okay, what is the name of the chapter? Animal. So many kinds of animals. Okay, so many kinds of animals. Now see here, cow, dog and goat, we suckle our young one. Who are they? Which animal is that? Cat. Cow, dog and goat, we suckle our young. Answer is cat. Next, crow, sparrow, parrot and cock, we fly. Answer is owl. Owl. Next is chameleon, house lizard and snake, we crawl. Animals, lizard. Lizard. Next, fill in the blanks. First, all crows are dash. All crows are dash. Answer is black. Black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Next, all parrots are dash. All parrots are dash. Answer is green. Green. All parrots are green. G-R-E-E-N, green. But cows have different colors. But cows have different colors. They may be black, dash or dash. They may be black, white or brown. They may be black, white or brown. All crows are black. All parrots are green. But cows have different colors. They may be black, white or brown. Okay. Now we are going to see question answers. First one, where do we find fish? Where do we find fish? We find fish in water. We find fish in water. We find fish in water. Next, which animals have feathers on their body? Which animals have feathers on their body? Birds have feathers on their body. Birds have feathers on their body. Birds have feathers on their body. Next, how many legs do birds have? How many legs do birds have? Birds have 2 hind legs. Their 4 legs are changed into wings. Birds have 2 hind legs. Their 4 legs are changed into wings. Again, birds have 2 hind legs. Their 4 legs are changed into wings. From which animals do we get milk? From which animals do we get milk? We get milk from cows, buffaloes, sheep, etc. We get milk from cows, buffaloes, sheep, etc. We get milk from cows, buffaloes, sheep, etc. Why do we not want mice in our houses? Mice destroy stored grains. Mice destroy stored grains. Some things in our house, so we do not want mice in our houses. Mice destroy stored grains. Some things in our house, so we do not want mice in our houses. Next, Match the correct pairs. Okay, they have given here questions and here answers. Chameleons. Chameleons creep or crawl. Creep or crawl. Kites soar high in the sky. Soar high in the sky. Bats can fly but are not birds. Bats can fly but are not birds. Butterflies have 6 legs. Butterflies have 6 legs. Butterflies have 6 legs. Fish live in water. Fish live in water. Next, name the following animals. Name the following animals. Makes cobwebs. Makes cobwebs. Which animal makes cobwebs? Spider. Spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. S-P-I-D-E-R. Is colorful. Is colorful. Peacock. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Has trunk. Has trunk. Elephant. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Runs with great speed. Runs with great speed. Deer. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Again, makes cobwebs. Spider. Is colorful. Peacock. Has trunk. Elephant. Runs with great speed. Deer. Now, write whether the following statements are true or false. First one, an egret is white. First one, an egret is white. Answer is true. True. Second, a parrot has scales on its body. Second, a parrot has scales on its body. Answer is false. False. Third one, a cat is useful for carrying burdens. A cat is useful for carrying burdens. Answer is false. False. A house lizard has hair on its body. Fourth one, a house lizard has hair on its body. Answer is false. False. Fifth one, a cock does not fly high. Answer is true. Answer is true. So, once again we will repeat. True or false? An egret is white. True. A parrot has scales on its body. False. A cat is useful for carrying burdens. False. A house lizard has hair on its body. False. A cock does not fly high. So answer is true. In this way you also have to do the revision of all. Match the following. True or false. Name the following question answers. Okay. Thank you.